Improved design and function. New adjustable internal funnel for maintenance-free feed distribution. Easy set programmable digital timer. External power port for Moultrie solar panel. Quick lock adapter included. Requires 16 volts battery, not included. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement for older feeders. The 11th of January 21. This assembly was just what I need to replace my old one that was worn out and not working. Was easy to replace even full of corn. Had to use one hand to cover the hole to keep the corn from flowing out. 3 screws to drop the old motor and timer. Then removed the aluminum cone with 2 more screws and the new replacement motor and timer screwed right on. My old solar panel plugged into the new motor unit and used one of the mounting screws to hold it to the feeder.